Yo, what's up guys, it's Kasper again. Cheers for watching again. If you're a subscriber, if you're new, I'm an artist out of Melbourne, Australia that mostly paints murals and skateboards. I usually carve the whole skateboard out all the way around it, but today's going to be a little different. I'm going to chop this thing directly in half and turn it into a stained glass window.
So here we are, welcome back to my little studio, and this is the skateboard right here. So I've chopped this thing in half to basically complement the stained glass window effect. It's almost like the windows has a little break between it, but let's jump straight on the computer and I'll show you what I mean. I want to go big, bright and colourful, so I'm just going to have a little sketch and see what I can make up. So I got all the base colors down. For anybody who's wondering, these are just your standard acrylic paints, but let's get straight into that airbrush. So this part's always the most important. It's the outline going over the top. I'm going to have to be really careful with this one. All the lines are going to have to be clean first shot. So let's see what happens. And that's a wrap. I had no idea how this was really going to turn out. It was a complete experiment, but I'm pretty happy with the outcome. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will catch you on the next one.